YouTube. I want to show you guys how to make slime and how to make your slime bigger. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you guys how to make the slime bigger. With this one, this one. So this is going to be filled up all the way here, and this is going to be filled up all the way there. So let's get started to the video. Okay, so right now, this is the big one that came out of here. So the thing that you're going to need, I already posted and showed you it, but it got low again. So you're going to use shaving foaming cream. And just squeeze it. I'm not going to use no more. Now this one, I'm probably going to fill it up halfway because I'm still going to need some of the shaving cream to make the slime. I know this just looks like shaving cream, but it's also slime in it. See it? Alright, and I'm finna show you if it have got bigger. Let's see. It have got bigger, it's all the way filled up. So this is filled up all the way. And I cannot close it with the cap all the way. I want to put some of this. And yes, this is the same. It is just, I just added more shaving cream to it, so it made it kind of whiter. So that's why and I close it. Yeah, I close it. Okay, so this is the extraness that I have made to make it bigger. I probably have made some more than this, but this is the extraness that I had to get off to make it bigger. And this is the one with the shaving cream that I had to make bigger. And see, I didn't add a lot of shaving cream to this one. And I also had different colors. Now, add shaving cream to this one to make it bigger. And now just slightly play with. Making slime. So as I can see, sorry, you guys. Is it gonna go in there or what? Make it out of fart noises. Okay, so as you guys can see, yes, I got bigger. Could I add the shaving cream? So if you guys make slime with glue, then you may want to try it with the shaving cream. Okay, now let's clean this up, and I'm going to show you guys how to make slime next. Alright, I have cleaned up everything. We are going to need a container, shaving cream, hand soap, and a tool to mix with. Let's get started. Alright, so gotta clean it out real quick. We'll dry it out. I tested it out. It was slimy, but I just had to put it in the freezer for a minute. And this is my own idea I made up. None of y'all probably would have thought of it. Not trying to brag, but this hand soap is very slimy. Like, all of this is slime, basically. Look at the way it's made. Now I'm gonna show you guys it when I pour it out. But this hand soap is coconut lime hand soap. Coconut lime hand soap. So look at the way when I pour it in here. I just dropped it everywhere. Okay. Now look at it, it's just slimy. Now mix it up. Now if y'all want to see me stirring it up, look how slimy it is. Look how slimy that is. It's already slimy. But if you want it to be bigger and stuff, this is the part where you add your sugar foaming cream. Trying to pick it up with my nails. My nails are so cute. Now stir your slime up. Stir your fluffy slime. You want to make sure you mix it very well. Very well. So look at it. When I touch it, it sticks to me a little bit. That's why it is called a freezer. Now I want to add some more hand soap and stir it up. Now I'm going to add a little bit more shaving cream and stir it up. Put it in the freezer 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to do 10 minutes. No, I'm going to do 5 minutes. Because my freezer, it depends. If your freezer is like not that good, not that warm, well, warm, not that cold, then you're going to want to put it in there for 10 minutes. But if your freezer get really cold quick, like mine, then you want to put it there for 5 minutes. So put it in there for 5 minutes if your freezer is really cold. Put it there for 10 minutes if your freezer is really warm. Okay? Be back when it's done. While that's in the freezer, I want to get this slime out. fluffy slime. Beautiful fluffy slime. If you want to know how I made this color, this peach color, what I did was I made this with no food color and it was just plain white. And then my cousin came over. I'm not going to put her name out like that. I was about to say it, but I was like, no, I ain't going to put her out like that. But, hold on. Okay, so what I was saying was, when I first made it, it was just white. When my cousin came over, she kept on saying, put some color in it. Put some food color in it. Put some color in it. So I just said, Kurt, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna put the food color in there. And I was like, I only put the yellow in there. So we added a little bit of yellow. And she was like, see, you can't even see it. You need some more. I was like, you know what? I just poured a whole bunch of yellow. And it really came out pretty. And she said, add just a little bit of pink. A little bit of pink food color. And I added that pink. Boy, I was like, keep adding this pink. It made it so pretty. And it turned into this color. And it just came so pretty. Then, the next day, I took out my other slime and I forgot I put my glitter in that slime. Like the glitter container. And with glitter in the container. She saw that, she was like, put some glitter in here. I was like, okay, Kermit. I was like, okay. So, you guys probably can see the glitter, probably not. I don't know. But it's glitter in here. I could see it clearly. Clearly now, the rain has gone. Okay. Now with this, I'm going to add some contact solution. Hold on, I'm looking for it. And I gotta wash my hands off. From that slime. Now I don't know where my mom put her other contact solution. This hydrogen peroxide. Okay. This is contact solution. Drop down, down, low. Drop, down, low. And you're gonna probably wonder what the contact solution does. Contact solution, bring it all together and make it less sticky. Now hopefully this contact solution works. I have had this contact solution for a while. So, I don't know. It may work, it may not. It's sticking to my hand a little bit. But other than that, it's okay. That just burned my eye. This contact solution burning my eye. Alright, I'm gonna put this up. The reason why I'm not using this hand because I just washed this hand off. And it's just gonna make it all wet and stuff. Now, since I was playing with it and stuff, I think it went down some. Like it got smaller. But it would do that. So you just gotta keep adding shaving cream. I just want to see this one real quick. This one is my fluffy slime. Okay, this one is very sticky. So this is why I have to sit out for a minute. After I get done making this YouTube, I'm about to go to my neighbor's house. Just wash my hands off. Let's wait for the other slime. I'm going to see if I can stand up over here. How would I do this? Let's try it. Oh my god. I'm gonna fall. My hair is slipping. Look. Oh. Please tell me I did it. Please tell me I don't fall. The door not twisted. See, look. Oh, there, man. But it was twisting. I just wanna be happy. Time to wipe off. I don't know why I just did that. Okay, we're in the freezer for 5 or more than 5 minutes. It's okay. It looks freezable. It looks very fluffy and fun to play with. Now, maybe a little bit sticky because it's hand soap.